Okay, see how this candle over here is just above these two moving averages. That's the 10 moving average and the 20 moving average. It's just sitting above it. So basically that's what we're gonna talk about in this video. The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video, Cardano video again, another update, and see what's actually happening with Cardano. I know you people are panicking like crazy every time it goes down 0.01%, so why not give you some hopium and relax you a bit. Anyways, let's get into the charts and see what's happening. And like I said, we're gonna talk about the fact that we are sitting above these 10 and 20 moving average right now, above 1.15 line. Now, if you watched my previous video, of course, you will be knowing that this target over here, as the support line at 115, is very important. Now, as you can see here, we did wick below it, and you people might have been panicking or not, I don't know. I said once we cross 115 and close below, closing below means not wick. This is the wick, the thin line, that's the wick. When you see this full body closing below here and the next candle happening, but the body, the close, the bottom thing is below it, that's when you should be getting worried. Wicks don't matter. Wicks don't matter. All these wicks do not matter, you know, because somebody is just buying fast, selling fast, but the wicks don't matter, the body matters. And you can see the body is the full body, the big thing over here, it's above the 10 and 20 moving average, and that's what's actually really important right now. The wick that it went below 115 doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. So we are very bullish still because we are above these two moving averages. Also, let me just tell you really quick what we are looking at, if in case this is your first time over here. This box down here, that's what we call the panic area. So I made a video when you should be panicking, and that's basically down here. So when it goes below 115, that's where we start getting worried. If it goes below 104, that's when you can start panicking, and if it goes below 0.84, that's when you should have a full-blown panic. You know. So basically, that's the panic area, and until we get down there, there is no need to worry. Right now, we are in a trading range between 115 and 131. We're going zigzag up here, and that's to be expected. Now, there was a bit problem in the paradise, of course. Of course, there's no paradise without problems. So all paradise got problems. We got this very nice line that I got very many likes for. A lot of people clicked the like button because this line was very nice. You know, resistance, support, resistance, broke resistance, support, so on. And now we are here breaking again this support line, and we went all the way down to 115 on the 4-hourly chart. You can see it very clearly here. And that's all in good, but we are still in the range, nothing to worry about, no problems. On the 4-hourly, you can see here the blue line, that's the 100 moving average, also acting very nicely and very good, but we are actually getting the support on the this yellow line, that's 50 moving average. Now look at this. I'm just gonna remove the other moving averages and just keep the 50 moving average, so you can see clearly that the 50 moving average on the 4-hourly is important. You can see here how nicely we got support on it. Even here we went below it, resist, but once we got above it, support, below it, resistance, try to break it. Now we broke it, and now we're testing it again as a support. So we are again doing just normal price movement, hitting the supports that we are supposed to be hitting, because once you break support, sorry about that, remind me later. Microsoft, man. So basically, once you break some kind of support, you need to retest this to confirm it. Like you break it, you want to confirm it, it doesn't confirm it, it goes below it. So breaking the 50 moving average down here and start following the even further below that might be some kind of reason to worry, but right now it looks like we are getting support over here, so that might hold. But even more important is on the daily. Let's bring back the moving averages. I did not click. Yes, I did click. Yeah, they're down there. This 20 moving average over here and the 10 moving average, the yellow line. So these two lines are very, very important. Also, the thing I mentioned in a previous video is when the moving average, now I have to bring back the when the moving average is going down, it's very unlikely for the price to break the moving average in the same direction that the moving average is going. Usually the way the price breaks the moving average is in the opposite direction. So when the price is moving on the downside, usually the price breaks it in the opposite direction. It's just something I noticed. It does happen a lot. I mean, it can happen even on the down when it's moving in the same direction, but that's it rarely does that. It can happen, but it's not that common. Now the other positive thing is the 10 moving average. We are getting support on that. So if the 10 moving average keeps going up, the 20 moving average will also start going up, and we will see a movement on the upside. And once that happens, then there is a chance that we actually might break the 20 moving average and go further down. So we are not out of the clear yet. We still got a way to go, but right now there is absolutely no reason to panic whatsoever. It's just normal movement. I understand that you're panicking because a lot of you people bought like 1.5 or something like that, the top over here and here, you know, all of these top wicks. So it's very hard to like accept what's that, 30% down. Let me see how many. That's 20% down. Like, you're thinking you're gonna lose all your life saving. That's the game you play when you invest. You know, especially if you don't know technical analysis, if you don't know when to buy, when to sell, and stuff like that. You buy the hype, you buy the news and stuff like that. You have to expect that there is gonna be some kind of pain period, and pain period usually is wherever you bought. The pain period is all that the time it takes the price to come back above the wherever you bought. That's the pain period, and that's the process of learning how to investing. And once you experience that, next time you're gonna be like, yeah, I'm gonna buy the dips. Yeah, I don't care. So where we buy the dips is we actually looking for we find something that's we believe in, and then we wait till everybody says it's a bad thing, and then we buy it because we know it's a good thing, and we buy the dip, and it goes up, of course, because it's a good thing. So being an investor means knowing what's good and what's bad, regardless of what the news and other people say. So if you don't know that, you're not an investor, you're just kind of hoping, like gambling with your money. And that's okay as well. I'm not saying anything. I mean, a lot of people made money on GameStop, on Bitcoin and stuff like that. They're just throwing money on it, you know. I'm not saying anything against that. I'm saying if you want to throw money, at least know your technical analysis. So at least you know when to buy. If you know the technical analysis, you know when there is gonna be a dip, when is a good time to buy and stuff like that. But right now, looking at the chart, it does not look bad. It does not look bad at all. So we are still in the clear. We are expecting this to either go sideways or start going up. It's this white line over here. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna zoom out, remove the moving averages. Zoom out a little bit. Is this white line that got support over here, here, and here? That's actually, and now we are hitting the white line again. It's the white line actually that's the big kahuna. If we break the white line on the downside and close above it for several candles on the daily, that will be very, very bad, because this is a parabolic move and you don't want to break these big support lines, So I'm thinking I would start panicking if it starts breaking down and getting into this area down here. But you still got like 2 days left before we are out on the clear, and after that it should go follow at least the line and follow up. At least 2 days left. So there is this candle over here. So Monday, Tuesday. On Wednesday, if we should start going up, but we started breaking it down again, like, it's gonna be terrible. It's gonna be, so nothing's clear yet, but the good news is we are above the 10 and 20 moving average, getting support there, getting support on 50 moving average on the 4 hourly. Everything is looking nicely, no problem in the paradise. Like, just take a chill pill and stuff like that. Anyways, now it's your turn to subscribe to the channel, like the video, put down something in the comments for YouTube algorithm, share the video, you know, all that shebang. Likes are more important than subscription. So even if you did not like the video, just hit the like button and help me out, man. You know, small YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something today, and see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.